Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. Today in our ICT class, we have an activity about identifying the different parts of computer.
Wi-Fi router, cooling fan, ADR, DVD drive, motherboard, audio port, USB port, video port, video card, CPU slot, memory slot, CPU fan, heatsink, mouse, keyboard, power supply, system unit, mouse, heatsink, CPU,